today I'm going to show you how my mom did this beautiful curly style using the Kennedy's Essentials, named after my name. Ding! So make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And please hit that notification bell, ding ding ding, so you won't miss any of my new videos. And please, please make sure you're following me on Snapchat and on my Instagram page on Kenny the Only One. And this time, Kennedy's Essentials. Ding! Okay, so this is a Super Cleanse shampoo. That's the first one. Okay, the second one is a Nourishment Conditioner. Doesn't this look so awesome? The fourth one is an Extra Moisture Hair Milk. And the fifth one is an All Over Butter. The sixth one is not from us. It's from the Main Choice. Can you see it? Okay, so it's from the Main Choice, like I already said, and it's a pink lemonade and coconut. That's what it smells like. Mousse. Well, basically it smells like chocolate mousse to me. So you guys, you know how I smell and feel the products, yada yada yada, but I'm not gonna do it right now. Right now I'm going to do it like, turn off this video for now, go to my previous video, and then you can see me touch and feel all this stuff. And then you can keep watching this. Or if you already watched my previous video, great job for you, golden star. Woo! So, bye everybody!
Hey guys, and welcome back for another video. So in today's routine, I just did Kennedy's wash day a little bit different today. Instead of me having her sit at the sink and rinse out her hair, I figured I'd do it differently by just wetting her hair and then sitting on the chair and showing you guys how I'm washing it. So the first product that we're using is our Super Cleanse shampoo. It is 8 ounces and we're selling it for $8. And I love this shampoo. You really don't need a lot. I was very heavy-handed with it, but you don't need to be. For a shampoo that is sulfate free, the suds on this is amazing, and I was easily able to use my fingers to get through into her scalp just to give it a nice scrub and cleanse. It's nice and creamy. It has very mild cleansing ingredients, but it will leave your hair literally clean. So if you were sick or in the hospital and couldn't wash your hair, and this is like your first time getting back to washing your hair, or if you had your hair in a protective style or any type of weave or wig or whatever, and you just really need a nice deep cleanse, I would suggest you getting our Super Cleanse shampoo. It will cleanse your hair literally. And I've rinsed out the shampoo from her hair, and now we are using our Nourishment Conditioner. I definitely wanted to formulate something that was nice and thick and creamy, but also could do a really good job of detangling the hair. So our Nourishment Conditioner is 8 ounces and we're selling it for $11. Our first ingredient is aloe vera juice, and aloe vera juice gives you so much moisture and hydration to the hair. That is amazing with helping to detangle the hair. And the second ingredient is bihydramonium methyl sulfate, which is also known as BTMS, which is a conditioner for your hair. So this conditioning agent is able to easily get the tangles out of the hair. We also have jojoba oil in there as well as shea butter. So this is a nice, thick but light conditioner, so it can easily get through the hair. It won't cause any buildup or allow your hair to feel weighed down or greasy or anything like that. Because of the jojoba oil, which is a nice and light oil, it mimics the natural sebum or the natural oils that's in your scalp. So I just love this product combination and these ingredients together, and this is going to work so amazing on your hair. If you are struggling with a lot of detangling issues and your hair is pretty tangled, or your child's hair is pretty tangled, definitely use these two together. I would not suggest that if you haven't washed your hair in 3 months or something like that. I don't know what it's going to do, but if you wash your hair on a regular basis, this would be amazing on the hair. So I've already rinsed out Kennedy's hair. Her coils are popping. These two products work so good on the hair. It's amazing, guys. So amazing. So now I have parted Kennedy's hair, and I'm going to start on the style for today. I saw Jeanette J Beauty here on YouTube doing this style, and I really wanted to do it on Kennedy's hair. So the first thing I'm starting off with is our all over butter. We used it in a couple of previous videos, and this all over butter is so amazing. You don't need to use it on the hair. I like to use it for Kennedy's hair as like a liquid oil and cream method. The liquid is the water, the all over butter is the oil, and our extra moisture hair milk, which I'm using right now on the hair, is the cream. So using these combinations together, because of the aloe vera juice in the hair milk, as well as in the Nourishment Conditioner, so that's hydration and moisture all the way around. For the cold winter months, for the summer, for the winter, for the fall, this combo is amazing. I love it. I love it. I know I have to stop using the word amazing, but really, guys, this works so good. So I parted the hair, and I'm using a fine tooth comb just to get any other tangles or anything out of the hair, because when I'm corn braiding the hair, I like everything to be nice and neat and straight. I like clean lines. So I like to use that, and also just to show how these products does so well with getting the tangles out of the hair. And you could see through the whole video, when I was doing Kennedy's wash day, she was just having such a good time because all of these products really helped a lot. She loved the smell. I made sure that the smell of the products are good, and it's her favorite scents like orange and citrus and those types of things. So a nice orange and citrus scent. She loved those, and the fact that it did its job, which was keeping her hair moisturized. I was easily able to comb. She's making all these facial reactions, and because she's having a good time. And that's the thing that you want when you're doing your child's hair, that they enjoy it. If they enjoy the process, they will enjoy taking care of their hair. They will see the importance of making sure your hair is cleansed, making sure your hair is moisturized, making sure your hair is conditioned. So after I've done all 4 of the corn braids in Kennedy's hair, so now I'm going to work on the back of her hair. So I parted her hair in 2 ponytails, and I'm going to use some more of the all over butter all over her hair. And Kennedy's hair looks so good and moisturized. I don't have any leave-in or anything on her hair. I only used the Nourishment Conditioner that I washed out, and I used some of the all over butter. And right now I'm going to use some more of the extra moisture hair milk. And then I'm going to quickly detangle with a small tooth comb, not even a wide tooth comb, a small tooth comb. Come on, guys. When do you see that? When do you see that? And another star of the show that we're using today, because we don't have any mousse in our line, but I was so intrigued by the Main Choice Pink Lemonade and Coconut Super Antioxidant and Texture Beautifier Mousse. I am in love with this mousse. You really didn't need a lot. I definitely used about 3 pumps per section, but you really don't need that much. You only need 2. And it claims to fight frizz. It creates enough, it's gentle enough for daily use. It improves elasticity. It helps with damage and breakage. It promotes growth and retention. It boosts and shapes your curls and restores moisture. This mousse is so good. It says it's lightweight, anti-frizz, has good shine, it conditions and protects your hair. It's for curly, wavy, and kinky hair. This mousse by far is one of my favorite mousse that I've tried thus far. And I haven't really tried that many because this year I wanted to do more perm rod sets on Kennedy's hair. So I really want to try different brands of mousse just to see the ones that I like the best to use on Kennedy's hair. She is getting older, so I want to get little, different styles on her hair. So I'm done putting the perm rods in her hair, and I put a little more of the all over butter just on her edges, just to keep it nice and smooth while she's sleeping during the night. And as you can see, she loves these perm rod sets. So what I did was I put her hair under the dryer, let it dry for about 30 minutes, and then she went to bed. Now it's the next day, and I have the Main Choice hair bonnet, satin bonnet. That was the biggest bonnet I could find. And I really, really like Main Choice. I love their products. I love their product line. I definitely would suggest everyone go out and get this pink lemonade and coconut mousse. It has such a nice hold on the hair, which I was just like in shock. I was in shock how much good hold and shine. Look at her hair. It looks so good. The combination of the all over butter with the extra moisture hair milk and then this mousse. Oh my goodness. This was like a triple threat. I loved it. Kennedi just wanted to take the perm rods out. She was just having a good time. She feeling her hair. It just felt amazing. And considering how much mousse I use, I experienced a little bit of flaking, but not a ton of flaking. So I'm just going to use a little bit more of the all over butter in my hands, and I'm going to separate each of the curls. It took me about, I would say about 20 minutes to get through her hair. I mean, I did get a little lazy towards the end because I was just like, I am not picking out like literally all of the strands of hair. You really can, and some people do, and I do like the look when people kind of take like smaller pieces and curl around their fingers, but after a while I was just like, no, I'm not doing all that. But it still came out pretty good anyway. Hair, not all of it, but most of it, and it came out so good. It really did. And using this mousse and this product combo, her hair lasted literally for 2 weeks. I didn't have to do anything to it. The curls lasted. It looked so good, so good. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just, because I curled the ends of when I did the corn braids, and now I'm just using some bobby pins just to pull her hair back in the front. Jeanette J Beauty, when she did the style, she did it in pigtails, but Kennedi didn't want me to do the pigtails. She wanted me to leave her hair out. So I figured, okay, no problem. So I'm just spritzing her hair with a little bit of water, and I'm using some more of the all over butter on her edges just to keep the moisture in from the water. And then I'm using our favorite edge control, which is the lavender edge glaze from Camille Rose. You guys know, and if you've been watching Kennedi's channel for a while, you know that this edge control is one of our favorite edge glaze. So if you check out our last video, I believe I talked about her favorite edge controls, and I'm using a small fine-tooth brush to brush her edges, and I use a headscarf, and her hair is dry, her edges are sleek, it's shiny. Guys, you have to, after you pick up our line at kennedisessentials.net, you have to run and get this mousse. I wanted to see which headband looked the best on her hair, but I ended up doing the pink one, which was so cute. So guys, I hope you enjoyed our video. Thank you guys for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.